The Blackstone.
The Blackstone
It's a
cooks the lish stuff. Oh, Sully made a
investment.
sandwich.
Ooh.
Sully
The
made
Blackstone
ribs too.
is a great investment, along with
Wait.
the new Bloody Mary recipe.
Are we out of
Jeez.
vodka?
No.
Well, almost. What are we doing today, Sully?
We're doing the Blackstone Hillgrack. That's a new word. Griddle hack.
Griddle hack. All right, so
Followed up by some pork ribs.
tongue-tied Sully here. Basically, we have the new Blackstone. We opened it. We seasoned it the other day. Check that video out if you want. I'll put a link right down in the description. But this is our virgin breakfast on the Blackstone. And the Blackstone, it comes with this attachment for the little, the camping propanes. But we bought the attachment for the 20 and 30 pound tank. So we're gonna use this today. I'll show you where I got that too. Click that link down in the description and you'll see, but basically this is a nice little 3-foot adapter for our 20 pound tank. So let's get this hooked up here.
I heard it.
All right, we got flame. All right, so we got our drink. That's the first thing you start with. What are you drinking, Sully?
I don't know. Cosmonaut.
No, it's a White Russian. It's just lemonade vodka right here.
Harry Calhoun.
I mean, it's kind of like a screwdriver, just with lemonade. All right, so let's get to this cook here. I'm just gonna dump this bacon out. We're gonna have to organize it here real quick. Where'd my tongs go, Sully?
I don't know, but I got my fork. That's all I need.
All right, we're gonna turn this heat down just a little bit. That looks a little hot. We got some maple sausage too. Bob Evans maple sausage. This stuff's bomb.
You know Bob?
I do.
What about Bob?
I don't know. We haven't seen him in a while. Just bacon. And the sausage is going to take a while. Oh, he was going to be fancy and he missed it.
Well, I always cook with a fork. You got a hot spot?
I think there are hot spots on this Blackstone. If I'm critiquing it, there are hot spots. The whole thing does get hot, but there are definitely hot spots right in here. And if you look at it, it's right where the burners are. So it's good, but there are hot spots. You just got to know that ahead of time. Just like any grill. Here's my wash rag.
Why don't you keep an eye on that? I'm going to check the ribs.
All right. We got ribs right in front of the camera. He doesn't even know.
Where'd you get this bacon?
I got it from a friend of mine. Do you know?
No?
We had to slice it ourselves. We bought it as a whole piece. And we bought the slicer and sliced it up.
You know what's
So,
nice?
This is thick sliced bacon.
No, it's good quality. There's no hooks. So it's a center cut bacon. Because you get the shitty bacon, it's got all the hooks on the end.
Yep.
That's when you know it's not center cut.
All right, center cut bacon, no hooks, no shitty bacon here.
Serious?
Only the best for us fine people. Oh yeah, look at this. You can definitely tell where the hot spots are. You move this sausage around. Cheers.
I'll go again.
Bacon, sausage, eggs, and we got some English muffins here. Looking forward to those too. The challenge on breakfast is getting everything done about the same time.
And why are we doing this? Is this like a practice run for something?
Breakfast on the Blackstone. We haven't done breakfast on here yet. So it's a practice run for...
Aren't you doing a brunch?
We are doing a brunch in a couple weeks, but I don't know if we're going to video it.
Maybe not, but it's a practice to get everything cooked at the same time.
Because we got so many friends that are camera shy.
We do. I keep stepping out of frame.
Out of character too.
This is true.
I mean, I don't even know what your character is.
Sully. We're in the Hudson.
You definitely want to put this Blackstone on a flat cook surface.
You level it?
Well, if we leveled it, we probably would have been better off because everything's cooling over here. But my picnic table's probably not level. I can't blame that on the Blackstone. Yeah, actually, I'm going to put the English muffins on here. What do you think?
Oh yeah. You going to that pan?
Yeah, when they're done.
Looks like you worked in the restaurant business.
Almost. Sully used to work at a chain restaurant. I'm not, it's going to remain unnamed. But
I say thank God it's Friday.
you know what? Every day's Friday, isn't it?
Around here it is.
Sully, how many pieces of bacon did we cook?
10.
Wrong answer. Those are hot.
Just put it in there.
Nope. All right.
Ooh.
I know those are looking nice. Tell you what, nothing like some English muffins on a flat top cook surface.
I like a good warm muffin.
You know I do too.
You know where I can find one?
Nope. These are moist too. Can you say that out loud?
Is that Nooks and Crannies?
I don't know what a cranny is.
I don't either.
All right, Sully. Want to taste this bacon? If I'd known you were going to take it, I wouldn't have given you the whole thing.
Go on.
That's pretty good right there. These around, get the right.
I'm off to see the ribs.
Isn't it the wizard? I thought you were off to see the wizard. All right, we're going to move stuff around here, keep this going. Now, it doesn't seem like we truly have a non-stick here, so I'm going to put some of these eggs on here, and we're going to find out how non-sticky this is. I used to work in an unnamed restaurant long ago. It's fast food, though. This is where I learned to do this, Sully.
Yeah, well, you didn't do that one very good.
Yeah?
Strike
Watch
one.
this. Well, I did break a yolk. But it's been a while.
So the yolks sit up high. What does that mean?
These are young.
Just like women's breasts. Sitting up nice and perky.
All right, this is definitely not non-stick, but again, this is the first cook. We haven't seasoned. I mean, we seasoned it, but it's not really good seasoned yet. I guess I'm gonna have to eat the broken yolk. All right, I think our muffins are done. Just to test, gotta make sure the pork is done. Maybe just another minute on the pork. So we're gonna get the eggs off. I think we did good on the Blackstone. I do like this cooktop surface. Somebody's gonna eat that. I think we're good with the sausage. Breakfast on the Blackstone, there it is. So really, only one thing left to do, Sully. That's taste. What do you think? You ready to taste this?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you know what else goes with our breakfast? Look what Sully made. We sous vide this for 20 hours, ribs, finished it on the grill. So we're gonna have all that breakfast, which is enough, and then top it off with the ribs. First taste of ribs. Let's see here. Ooh. Sully did a good job on the ribs. All right, I already tasted the bacon, which was legit. All right, so this sausage, napalm hot, but amazing. When you do English muffins on the grill like this, they turn out so tender and moist. Those are bomb too. If you haven't had them like that, try them because they're nice and crispy, but really soft in the middle. I think the Blackstone's a success here, so I'm gonna keep it. I was gonna keep it anyways, but click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We're gonna do more cooks. Click that notification bell, you'll get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks for stopping. More to come on the Blackstone.
I'm back.
Oh, Sully's back just in time to eat. Go figure.
And I'm sweating up top.
Sully,
Last night?
Yeah.
how'd we do on breakfast? Oh, look at that.
I think we hit it.
Our beautiful photographer, and she's eating now. I'm doing all the photography. What's this all about? Did we do all right on breakfast? How's the Blackstone? The Blackstone
It's a
cooks the lish stuff.
fantastic
Oh, Sully made a
investment.
sandwich.
Oh.
Sully
The
made
Blackstone
ribs too.
is a great investment, along with
Wait.
the new Bloody Mary recipe.
Are we out of
Jeez.
vodka?
No.
Well, almost. All right, I'm about to eat. I'm about to smash some breakfast and ribs. Wow. All right. Later.